of apology to her father because without his permission she had deposited that fee for mountaineering course. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. Now, after the course at Uttarakashi's Institute, she kept on with that expedition every year. She used to go climbing mountain every year so that her resistance power could be developed, and she was now able to adjust to the cold atmosphere on the mountainsides and altitude. Altitude is height. She did not even fear the height. She could adapt herself and adjust to the height of the mountains. And these mountaineering skills she could master very well because of her determination and because of her physical resistance, which she developed gradually. Equipped with the iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. So, because she had an iron will, will means determination. So, because she was fully determined to climb the mountain, to get mastery over mountaineering skills, and because she had made herself physically strong, endurances, be able to bear anything on the body, is physical endurance. And because she had made her body strong enough to bear the cold and striking winds and did not fear the altitude, therefore she proved herself better and better every year for every expedition that she took up. And her hard work and sincerity could be seen in 1992, after 4 years of her climbing the Aravalli hills. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. So this was the achievement that she got. At the age of 20, she was the youngest woman to have climbed Mount Everest. If her climbing skills, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. So both fellow climbers and the seniors were impressed by her good qualities that she had inculcated in herself. She was physically fit and she had mental strength and the power that she showed to her seniors, the respect that she gave to the seniors and the teamwork that she showed to them. They were all impressed by that. Besides that, all the fellow climbers were also impressed by her because she showed a lot of love, attachment and affection towards them. She was always concerned about their behavior, their living style and their own health, and therefore she was liked by the juniors also. There is a description of the time when she was there for an Everest mission in 1992. During that mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. So in 1992, that concern, that taking care nature of hers is shown here. She wanted desperately to help a